Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by checking your phone and getting essentials out of the way. Update the OS and identify whether you use Android or iPhone. Once done, go into Google or device privacy settings and find Ads or Advertising ID controls. You will opt out of ad personalization and immediately reset your advertising ID to remove tracking. Make sure to save changes and note which apps show the most ads so you can tackle them next. This first pass reduces targeted ads fast. You now focus on the apps and network layer that actually serve ads. Start by uninstalling or restricting permissions for apps that display aggressive ads. Revoke overlay and notification rights when possible. Next, switch to a browser with built-in blocking like Brave or add uBlock type extensions to Firefox so web ads stop. Then install a DNS-based ad blocker or an ad-blocking VPN to filter ads across apps. This prevents many ads before they reach your device and reduces data used for ad fetching. You finish by cleaning residual ad artifacts and verifying results. Clear cache and data for offending apps, reboot and confirm fewer ads appear. If problems persist, reset the advertising ID again or, as a last resort, backup data and factory reset to remove stealth adware. Make sure to reinstall only trusted apps and enable the ad-blocking DNS/VPN. If ads still return, boot into safe mode to isolate a malicious app. Remove any recent installs and retest to fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.